Imagine and craft.
So hey guys, welcome back to Instacraft. In today's video we are making this amazing and colorful paper organizer, and it's looking very super cool by sticking a flower on the top of this organizer. And guys, this is very helpful to keep your desk organized well, and I have put the color inside with the order of blue, yellow, pink, then green, and then orange. And you can also use it as a makeup stuff holder, and it's very amazing to organize your makeup stuff and or your stationery stuff. So let's move on to how to make it. So finally guys, our craft is ready. You're seeing it's looking very super cool, and we just made it in only 2 or 3 minutes. And guys, this is very helpful to organize your table, and I have put some of my markers like blue, yellow, pink, green and orange. And you can also put your makeup stuff. So guys, this is enough for today's video. Let's meet you with another amazing video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment below. Bye bye.